Hey friends, welcome back. If your Vissani portable air conditioner suddenly stops cooling and shows a waterfall light, don't worry, this is completely normal and easy to fix. Vissani portable ACs collect moisture from the air inside an internal water tank, and when that tank fills up, the unit pauses to prevent leaks. Before doing anything, unplug the air conditioner from the power outlet. This is the most important safety step. Once the unit is fully off, grab a shallow container and place it behind the AC, right under the lower drain port at the back. Carefully remove the drain cap and rubber stopper and let the water drain out completely. When the tank is empty, firmly reinsert the rubber plug and tighten the cap to prevent future leaks. After that, plug the unit back in and resume normal operation. If you use your Vissani AC for long hours, especially in dry or dehumidifier mode, setting up continuous drainage is the better option. With the unit unplugged, locate the upper drain port on the back of the AC. Attach a standard 5/8-inch garden hose and make sure it's tightly secured. Position the hose so it slopes downward into a floor drain, sink, or bucket. This allows gravity to drain water automatically without filling the internal tank. Once connected, restore power and your AC will run continuously without interruptions.